All right, it's looking windy and cloudy as all hell, but we're awake. This is our second last full day.
Penultimate.
Huh?
Penultimate would be the correct term. Penultimate full day.
I've never heard of this.
The one before the last.
Penultimate. Look at Christelle being all smart on me. So yeah, we got like one of these cabanas, but it's like rainy, or it seems to be rainy, but it hasn't started raining yet, so fingers crossed. Anyways, we're gonna go eat now that we've reserved our spots for the first time. The only time we reserve a spot for the cabana is the day when it looks like it's gonna rain. But anyways, breakfast time! Alright, breakfast time. I got lots of fruit to begin with and some granola, some, what are these, pecans. There's some tomato there, guac, you can't really see it, salsa. I'm gonna eat it with bread. And I grabbed a hash brown, and then I am addicted to no, these are not artichoke hearts. These are, what are these called? Brain fart. These are so good. I'm so addicted. The middle part especially is super delicious and creamy. Anyways, there's my food. They're called hearts of palm, I just remembered. And then I'm having guac and salsa on toast with some lime. Yummy! So good. Lunchtime. Hi! 10 minutes! Hello! Okay, well, I just meant I was too lazy to really get ready. But anyways, dinner time. We're going back to that Japanese place. And yes, we should definitely bring the Uno cards because that's pretty much all we do. So I feel like I've gotten very lazy with the, whoa, hello. Where are we? Hello. Anyways, so I have been very lazy with the vlogging simply because we haven't done anything really. That was that event.
We've just been relaxing.
We've been very.
They don't have to think that Razor deserves a break from having to do all this.
Yes.
Like, she's allowed to holiday.
Anyways, oh my gosh, I'm not used to this darkness. We are back in Christelle's favorite restaurant, and we have a new seat, so it's a completely new experience. Yes, and it's very dark, even though there's only what, half an hour difference between when we came last year.
Oh, is it?
Because like last time when we came in, it was light out.
Oh yeah, we saw the sunset.
Right. We're about to have a show once again. And then what are we gonna do, Christelle? What's the plan?
Uno drinks.
More sushi! Yay! Okay, we just missed. Oh my god, I feel like my eyebrow just came off. Veggie tempura. This is the agadashi tofu. Do you want to try one? It's really good. So that wasn't a dog? No, oh my god! Woo! This is dangerous. course, I got hearts of palm again because I'm addicted. And looks like clear skies. Lunchtime. Are you enjoying your last day, Christelle? Last full day.
Yeah.
Full day. Yet tomorrow you have pretty much all day. Anyways, so we're just eating lunch now, and we're gonna do so much more chilling afterwards. The final evening with this view. Look at this. Can't even complain. So nice. I mean, come on. And then the sunset is looking gorgeous, epic, beautiful. So gorgeous. What are we doing, Christelle?
We're going to eat, which is what we do, is eat, sleep, drink.
So we were kind of considering going out tonight, and then
Got tired because we're old.
so we're gonna go eat. Christelle sounds like she's dying. We're gonna have another early evening. We're hungry. We just want to eat and then go to bed again. Cheers! I want some greens. Get some greens in. So this is what they gave me. Tastes like the gnocchi.
What's it?
Same sauce. And then I got some more salads for this final day. I got a double espresso with soy milk. They even had soy milk. Here's my breakfast. I'm gonna eat as much as I can. I got some guac under here, the zucchini. I even got a rice cake. Time to eat.